All right, we're taking a look at the Blue Demon 308LFC-O stainless steel flux cord wire. This wire is a gasless flux cord wire that can be used to weld all 300 series stainless up to 308. It can also be used on 430 stainless steel. All right, this wire is to be used with direct current electrode positive or reverse polarity, whatever you want to call it. This is this one I'm going to weld with today is an 035. It's 120 to 150 amps, 350 to 450 inches per minute, about 24 to 27 volts. And then the actual tip to distance should be about a ½ inch to 5/8 of an inch in the distance. All right. You should be using a knurled drive roll to help with feeding because this is a flux cord wire, a gasless flux cord wire. It's best without a nozzle. If you actually have the flux cord tips, it would be better than to use one with a nozzle just because you will get some spatter buildup. This is an all-position wire that we can use in the flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead positions. It can be used as a push-pull, stringer, or weave pass. So you can do forehand, backhand, straight stringers, or you can actually use a manipulation to spread out the wire, help the toes wet in a little bit better. It has an easy to remove slag, but best to wait until the piece is slightly cooled. It'll make that slag become easier to remove because the base metal, the stainless, which holds on to its heat for a longer period of time than steel, by the time it starts to contract, give it a little bit of time, and then that slag will come off a little bit easier with this actual wire. So what I did is I put together a handful of joints, and I'm going to show some arc shots so you can see how to weld with this Blue Demon stainless wire. Thanks for watching.